Imagine holding a simple pocket change coin that could secretly be worth hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars, and you might already have one without even knowing it. That's right, today we're diving into the incredible world of the 2021 quarter dollar, a coin that has turned heads among collectors and sparked a wildfire of excitement in the numismatic community. You don't need to be a coin expert or a hardcore collector to appreciate the jaw-dropping value that one tiny mint mark can bring. What looks like a regular 25-cent piece could be your golden ticket to a small fortune, because the 2021 quarter isn't just any quarter. It might be one of the most surprising and rare modern coins in circulation today. And once you hear the history, the errors, and the staggering prices these coins are fetching, you'll be checking your pocket change a lot more carefully. The 2021 quarter is part of the American Women Quarters Program transition period, and more notably, it belongs to the final year of the America the Beautiful series, featuring the Crossing the Delaware design. After the conclusion of the 56-coin America the Beautiful series, the U.S. Mint released this special one-year-only design showing George Washington commanding his troops across the icy Delaware River, a historic and powerful image that replaced the rotating national park theme seen from 2010 to 2020. Coins minted in Denver are marked with the D Mint mark, and while millions were made, not all are created equal. A tiny fraction of these coins, due to minting errors or special varieties, are turning heads and setting record-breaking prices at auction. So what makes a 2021 quarter potentially worth thousands? It all comes down to rare mint errors, ultra-high grades, and collector demand. Coins that are struck off-center, have double dies, or show unusual planchet flaws are incredibly valuable. Even more so, if your 2021 quarter has been professionally graded by agencies like PCGS or NGC and earns a top-tier grade of MS67 or higher, its value skyrockets. One of these rare quarters with a noticeable die break or a dramatic strike-through error has sold for well over $1,000, while others in flawless mint state condition have crossed the $2,000 and even $5,000 mark depending on rarity and collector interest. And those numbers aren't exaggerations, they're confirmed sale prices in recent auctions, making it more than just a collector's fantasy. Some of the most sought-after versions of the 2021 quarter include coins with cuts, which are die breaks that show up as extra blobs of metal on the coin, giving them a unique, one-of-a-kind appearance. There are also known examples of double dies, where elements of the design, like Washington's face, lettering, or details of the boat and soldiers, appear doubled under magnification. These visual anomalies aren't just cool, they drive the price of a quarter into the stratosphere. Imagine a coin you picked up in change from the grocery store turning out to be worth $10,000 or more. It sounds crazy, but it's happening, and it's happening more than you think. What's even more exciting is that the market for error coins and ultra-high-grade modern coins is hotter than ever. Collectors and investors are paying top dollar for modern rarities, and the 2021 quarter, particularly those with verified errors or pristine condition, are right at the center of the hype. This isn't some ancient coin from centuries ago, it's a coin you could find in your change jar today. And the thrill of the hunt is part of the fun. Every time you get a handful of change, you could be holding a small treasure. The combination of historic design, a limited one-year-only release, and the potential for valuable errors or elite mint state grading makes the 2021 quarter one of the most exciting coins of recent times. Don't be fooled by its modern appearance. This quarter could be worth far more than face value. Some collectors are offering 4 figures on the spot for quarters with dramatic errors, and the demand is only growing. Graded MS68 specimens have been seen pushing 5 figures in private sales and online bidding wars. Think about that, 25 cents turning into $10,000 or more, just because of a tiny minting quirk or perfect condition. It's like winning the lottery with your spare change. So next time you empty your pockets, look closely at your quarters. That tiny D mint mark might just be the key to a huge payday. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just someone curious about coin values, the 2021 quarter is proof that hidden gems still exist in the most ordinary places. With rare varieties and perfect grades commanding values from hundreds to tens of thousands of dollars, this unassuming coin is making serious waves. The opportunity to find a valuable coin like this isn't just for the lucky few. It's real, it's out there, and it could be in your hands right now. Keep watching, because in the rest of this video, we're going to show you exactly what to look for, how to spot the valuable ones, and where to sell them if you hit the jackpot. This isn't just another quarter, it's possibly the most exciting modern coin hunt of the decade.